It's not the protagonist Ali or Aju that we have to learn the lesson, but from Parvez. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I am going to review recently released on Amazon Prime Tufan. Before moving further with the synopsis of the story, recently it was trending online also. Zindagi Nami Lagi Dobara. This guy has a decades of history right now, and he has penned many movies, also directed some of the versatile and like evergreen movies. So I believe that right now the people, their behavior has changed since we switched from theaters to OTT. The movie itself is very good. There is no doubt whatever the message they wanted to deliver and whatever they really wanted us, they wanted to just encourage us, muster up courage, and just uplift us emotionally. Even though we lose our loved ones during this time, we have to move on with the positivity. But right now, a audience, they have totally shifted to different direction, totally from 1 0 to 180 angle. Why? Because recently plenty of things that have we have watched it, they have more aggression, violence, and all this. We have seen it in the series that we really appreciate. Look at that Mirzapur also. Then came Sacred Games also, and then Patal Log and all this. So people really feel good with all these. Somehow, uh, right now, if something uh, totally unorthodox coming for them, or you serve something they don't like it, they will just say, "Oh, we don't want to watch this. We are tired of this one." And there is gossip online going on, and things are brewed up on the social media. Suddenly, the people will not like these movies. But if these types of movies are released in the theaters, fascinated with his transformation, 10 out of 10. Why? Because they will really like it, how he just developed and they changed himself. Let's start what the story is all about. The story is all about Ali or Raju from the very poor area, and being an orphan, you are deprived of many things, and suddenly how his journey transforming himself from Ali or Raju to Tufan. And the beautiful thing that we really need to take with us from this movie is that, especially all those people, those who are from the middle class or very lower middle class also, they have to go through a very social pressure and hardships to be something. So the journey from nothing to something, you have to go through a lot of challenges, and that's what he is going through, serving different people, and then having a notorious image, and just transforming his notorious image to a positive famous person. You need positive vibes, and thus it helps. And he got that from the doctor from that same locality. And the most important thing that we learn here is that the gym he used to go, the coach there is very good also, and he is motivating himself, why don't you try it? And the first time when he met that guy was a boxer in the gym. His name was Parvez. He had muscles, he was already a professional, at least he is well groomed than Ali. Ali was a little bit harsh on him, but that guy really didn't bully him. He could have just challenged him, brought him in the ring, and then gave him two punches of bruises, and then he can settle the score there. But the positive thing is, the good sportsman always encourage another person. Outside the ring and inside the ring, there are two different lives. That is where we are also lacking, that our social or political issues that are surrounding us also, we wanted to attach all these with the movies or anything that's coming our way, because we are full of all those garbage or all those negativity, and we just wanted to throw that on others also. Sometimes it is important thing also to learn something positive out of every negative thing. Definitely there are experiences that we really need to treasure it, and that happens here also. The relations that we make, our parents or our loved ones, they have to bear the consequences of all those. Why not make decisions that will not hurt someone else? And why not we just move with the positive steps so that we can at least support someone? And in this case, it happened miscommunication, and it's our like yeah, it's our ego that comes in our way, everything. And that happened with him also. His own relation with his coach daughter, there was a huge gap very quickly. The guy who was very closer to his coach suddenly is nothing. And from that also, he is not also suffering. His coach emotionally was also suffering. And in the end, the daughter, it was very emotional movie. No matter whatever it happens, at least we really need to make decisions that will not hurt others also. Paresh Rawal has done his level best here also, and the other supporting actors also. And the most important thing, I really feel like he should really come up with something unique, and because he has the potential to write to pen a good story, and he can direct very well. So imagine, that was what I really think, that instead of we believe that he is reaching that perfection level also. He has reached already, he can do that, but he should deliver something that people really need it, because he is an actor or writer or director or producer of that caliber. So he should not go in this level also, because it's same like, you see, so what happens when I just wanted to think my opinion. Imagine that Undertaker, at the beginning he was fighting with all those roosters, and he was fighting with all those people. Suddenly the time come, only once in a blue moon you will have his one match, and his match will be only with the top title contender, someone who is holding a belt. So with the passage of time, if you have come to that level also, you should maintain your level to deliver something that the people really need it. Overall, it is best to watch it, good for them, good teamwork, and the story is very perfect. But that was not the people were expecting from the Farhan Akhtar of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And then the another movie that he wrote, remember that decades ago, Amar Khan was there also, Akshay Khanna was there also. All these movies really they need. And Preeti Zinta was also there. So people really wanted those kind of movies, because he is the person who really has the potential to write something. I hope you will really like this. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great weekend. Take care of your loved ones, take care of yourself, and stay safe. Bye bye.